Confused about money? RK Finance Blueprint makes it simple. Every video gives you real tips to earn smart, save better, and grow faster. If financial freedom is your goal, this is where your journey starts. Finance doesn't have to be boring or hard. RK Finance Blueprint is here. Let's get started.
I'm not going to gatekeep this financial hack that protected me from inflation. It's not stocks, crypto, or some risky side hustle. Take 10% of every expense and move it to a high-yield savings account. Every time you shop for groceries, set aside 10% first. Inflation eats your cash, but high-yield accounts grow faster. I set up auto transfers the moment I get paid. No apps, no day trading stress, just passive compounding. Last month I earned more interest than my checking account did in 6 months. While inflation climbed, my money worked quietly in the background. If you're not doing this yet, you're just bleeding value. Want my exact setup or the bank I use? Drop a fire emoji in the comments and I'll share it.
Stay tuned for more expert tips.
If this helped you see money differently, don't just scroll. Like, comment, and hit subscribe. Because every shot here is a blueprint to your financial freedom only on RK Finance Blueprint.